Z. Majin Buu continued down his path of destruction, randomly annihilating the cities of the Earth without any clear motive. Other than his own childish amusement, Buu has wickedly wiped out over 2/3 of the Earth's population and still